Hey everyone, Gil at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about comfort items. But first, if you haven't subscribed, now's a good chance to click that little red button right down there, subscribe, and then click the notification bell that pops up afterwards. That way you get notified and you don't miss out on any of these cool videos. All right, so comfort items. Yes, a while back, back in I think it was October or so, talked about morale and stuff, and how books and can help boost your morale and de-stress you and make you just add a little comfort to the stress of of a life during an SHT event. Well, I'm talking about some other comfort items, whether it's a stuffed teddy bear, a childhood sweater or something you have, things that you have that make you feel comfortable. And probably one of the biggest comfort things is food. So whether your comfort food is chicken fried steak with mashed potatoes and gravy, pizza, apple pie, whatever it is, include in your preps comfort items that will help you, feel comfortable. That just sometimes you just want, a nice hug sometimes can be a comfort item. So whatever it is, find several of them, add them to your preps, and that way you'll be better off in the long run. All right. So this is kind of a short one, but think about it. Whatever your comfort items are, that's what you need to plan for, because my comfort items might not be yours. One of the things I really love when I just want to have something nice and make me feel good, a good old-fashioned bologna sandwich with mayonnaise, mustard, and relish on it. And some people go, ooh, well, hey, like I said, my comfort items aren't your comfort items. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medications, skills, other items you may need, clothing, whatever else, and whatever comfort items you need. Why? Well, this is why.